Y'all, he just scared me. Salutation coverage of Beauties and Beauties. Okay, so today I'm doing my brows and stuff. Today my boyfriend will be going to the DMV trying to get his last program. But yeah, so it's gonna be a day with the bae vlog. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe for more of us and you. So I'm just cleaning up my eyebrows and then I'll be putting on lashes and liner, and that's probably about it today. So my boyfriend's already downstairs. I got my DoorDash food with me. I'm gonna go drive him off. I'm so excited for him. Time says 1:07 right now, so yeah. At least I had enough time to do my brows and lashes and contacts, you know me. Okay, I'm starting the car. He ready, ain't he? Somebody ready, ain't they? I'm coming. I'm down here now. The heck? Talking shit. Why you talking shit? So I'm still waiting on babe. It's in the DMV. I'm getting out of here. Okay. I just told a story time. Make sure you guys go and watch that. It's a crazy Christmas story time. I mean, crazy Christmas story time. It's not the only one I have though, so yeah. But if you guys see me wearing this twice, I'm making 2 videos. Yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna call him and see. I'll just go on, well, I'm gonna text him to see what's going on. But yeah, see you in a minute. Y'all, you just scared me. Me too. I want her to be scared too.
Please leave your message. Delete that one.
No, I'm not deleting anything. Y'all, he just came out here and scared me.
Indeed, I did, because it's fun. Hello. Hello. I gotta come back up here and take the test again. Psych! I passed. No, make no mistake. The test is different from Virginia because they asked an entirely separate. They asked an entirely different set of questions, but the 25 questions they asked, the 25 questions they asked were all like pertain to driving, just passing people and all that type of stuff.
Yeah.
Now, indeed, I did.
I told you it was common sense questions, didn't I? I told you it was common sense questions.
Because the signs, they're in the same thing as the eyesight test, right?
Yeah. I told you that.
But yeah, got it now. I get the hard copy in like 2 weeks.
Okay.
Mamas can't have no saint breath out there. Giving people their orders. Oh. Oh, I got these on. Crazy. Gotta smell good. Get them tips. You're looking in your eyes like, give me a tip. Give me $5 extra. I picked your shit up. Give me more monies. Alright, bye. Okay. Don't scare me like that. He came back through the door. Big old bone rock head. Look at him walk down the stairs. You want the bone rock head. You hear me talking to you? You gonna get beat up. Yeah. 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 What the thought? You said it's starting to rain. Can you get my coat out the back seat? You hear me? Babe. 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 Trying to maneuver. Yo, we just picked up this order and this guy had 10 things. Y'all, it's raining down here. We just got back upstairs. And I'm tired. This concludes today's, Vlogmas. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more. And alright, bye.